this thing when we have a sleep.
Toothbrush.
No. Have a sleep.
You sleep in it.
This place. This thing.
Bed.
Nice. Hot seat. Students have to explain a list of words to their partner. I want you to explain to Jackson, and you can explain. If he doesn't understand, pass. But you've got 1 minute. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and start.
This is Pokemon.
PIKACHU.
Okay.
Nice. Next. You can go like this.
Zombie. Red, orange, yellow, green, rainbow.
This is lawn.
Ball. Soccer. Big TV.
Big TV.
Tiger. Okay.
You can also do it in groups where one student sits in the hot seat and their group explains the words to them. Pick one card and explain to him.
It is we use when we go to bed. Go to sleep. Evil.
Close. What is on the evil?
One more. We use this thing when we have a sleep.
Toothbrush.
No. Have a sleep.
You sleep in it.
This place. This thing.
Bed.
Nice. The students can take turns to be in the hot seat and explain all the words or cards to their partners. You can see who gets the most answers correctly in 5 or so minutes.
I am good at this subject. Math. Yes.
Good.
This is teacher, a boy teacher, and he is a. No, he is teacher, English teacher.
Eddie.
Yes.
I raise this animal.
Cat. Yes. McDonald. Rotary. Okay. 나를 light color. Draw pictures.
Light color.
Right. Blue.
Like bird, leaf, what?
Bird leaf.
Leaf, bird, leaf, what?
I know
and
what-
blue. Bird,
Dark
leaf.
blue. Sky blue.
Okay. Okay. You, 장원영, with what? Take picture what?
Instagram story. Instagram.
Okay.